What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. My name is Eboh, in case you don't know. And currently I am in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. And today I'll be driving around Awka just to show you guys what Awka looks like as of 2022. And I'll be doing this one with my OG. I don't know if you guys have seen my previous video in Awka, like the first video I did in Awka. So I did it with her, and her name is
Jessica DD, guys. Hi,
Jessica
guys.
DD. So I'll be doing this one with Jessie DD. Jessie DD is a YouTuber based here in Awka, and she is also a chef. So if you are in Awka, let me just leave that one for now. Let's just focus on what we're about to do. So it will not be like I'm making an advertisement or anything. So what the purpose of this video, or the main reason for this video, is like to show you guys how Awka looks like. And she being a YouTuber based here, she has more knowledge than me. So she'll be the one, showing us around and telling us where we are.
Okay, so we're on like the Anywhere Expressway right now. We want to connect down to School Gate. That's they call it Beautiful Gate in Awka, because I think it's the only gate that they take like that's fine for students. So they call it Beautiful Gate. So that's where we're heading to. So we're going to take that road down into the school and check out what the school looks like now that students are on strike and all that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. So guys, after this video, I would like you guys to let us know what you think about Awka. Or meanwhile, let's just be driving. So when we find anything interesting, we're going to talk about that. We're going to discuss a lot of stuff, probably or maybe not. So, but at the end of the day, just enjoy the ride as we move.
As we move.
I used to see a lot of policemen around this section.
Yeah, but on weekends, yes, almost every day they're always here. But I think weekend they don't stay here anymore. But what's annoying me is that why are they here?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But they don't used to be here on Mondays.
Why?
On Mondays that they sit at home, they don't used to be outside.
Oh, they're scared.
Obviously. Obviously.
But it's a different case in Onitsha. In Onitsha, you see them, they will just come out. There is this junction in Onitsha.
It's very straight here.
So there's this Onitsha, there's this junction in Onitsha. That's a Demili side. That place they are building the second Niger bridge.
Yes, yes.
Or Interchange precisely. Yeah. Every Monday they do come out, and I don't know. Those ones are very good.
I think I've gone to Onitsha a couple of times this year. In fact, last month also. There's this particular place, they are always there, like, and I think they're soldiers. They are always there. There's a particular place in Onitsha, I think close to Opiwik, like after you pass Opiwik, yes, Owerri Road. There's always traffic there, yes, because of them. And they are always there. And when you see them, their hand is like on the trigger,
Yes.
Yeah, I used to be so scared when, like, I have like anxiety attacks when we were passing them, and I'm like, oh, you're doing something here.
So those ones are just there every day, every time they are there. Even like 3 o'clock in the morning, they are there.
I heard that they shot some of them like last year.
Yeah, last year they shot some of them.
Serious.
During that time, they were doing their stuff. So they shot some of them.
I heard it, and it was.
Also, like while coming from Onitsha, after that, I think the first bridge, let me use the word flyover. Yeah. After the first flyover, I can also see some policemen always there. Have you noticed something like that?
Yeah.
The first, I think the first bridge while coming through Onitsha.
Is that Chinese restaurant, Fast Chow?
This one?
Yeah.
This is Stanley, right?
Yes, Stanley.
Okay. I've not been there. Someone have already asked me to go make a vlog. Have you made a vlog about
Fast Chow?
Stanley?
Yes, I have a vlog, but it's not. It was just something that I was driving around and I just made a video. I entered into the supermarket and I made a video. It's really nice. It's not so nice, but it's something that if you're in Awka, you would love to see if you're a Lagos-based person like me.
Okay.
You would like to see, oh my God, why are you driving like that? You like to see it, you understand? So.
But now you're based here in Awka, right?
What?
You used to base in Lagos.
I go home once in a while, but because of business now, I don't think I want to go. For now, I'm based here. Honestly, I don't tell people I'm based in Lagos again. I just say I'm based here. Now.
But you started your journey from Lagos.
Yeah, I did, but I'm based here now. Trust me, this place is very nice. East generally has a different vibe from Lagos. You understand?
So which do you prefer?
I prefer the East. The only thing is that sometimes I'm always scared, like security reasons mostly. I'm always scared because in Lagos you cannot just wake up and see that they shot somebody.
In Lagos?
We're going to traffic gate so we can take here. This is the beautiful gate.
But you said in Lagos you cannot wake up one day
and just hear it happens, but not like the way it happens here in the East.
Lagos, I don't know why, bro. Let me just say because
beautiful gates.
You've grown up in Lagos and all that, so like you're more familiar.
Yeah, I've never had the experience I've had in Lagos is just like stealing from your car or trying to break the car or something like that. Yeah.
So guys, this is the beautiful gate, right?
Yes.
I think the main gate, right?
Yeah.
No need to go inside. Let's just.
That's our Regina. But the other side, the last time you came around, we went to this side, not the other side. Yeah. So the other side is.
So can we connect to that about the road?
We have to go back to the express.
That's right.
Yes. That's where Ibiza, the Sharks. That's where it is. And there's somewhere they're selling amala now. I don't know if they're around. There's a new restaurant.
Lagos people have come again.
There's a new restaurant where they sell amala now.
I tried amala in Lagos.
And you didn't like it?
No, I liked it. That was the first time I tried it. So, like, I was thinking that it's gonna be something very disgusting and like that, from the look.
Yeah.
But when I ate it, it was nice. It wasn't different from the normal food.
I love it.
I ate that with what is it? Intestine.
We should go there.
Should we get it done, right?
Yes, come on.
I want to go to that.
Yes, let's go. We bust down on the express again, so it will be faster for us because we're going to Regina. It's affecting your car. And you couldn't come out with the car, so you went down with it. Where did you stop to buy it? Like that area? Okay, that other piece is Commissioner's Quarters. So that other piece is Commissioner's Quarters. If we are taking it to connected to Aroma, and then from Aroma we'll now go back to Abakaliki Street. Yeah. You've never been to that area?
Where?
That area?
Abakaliki side?
No, not Abakaliki. This area.
Side?
Yes. Because we would have as well just used it to also connect. But anyway, this is faster. That is like another whole journey.
I wouldn't mind like the MOP video just to like show the areas how Awka looks like. So anyway, I think I've passed through this express so many times.
Yeah, so let's turn. Let's turn. Oh, don't worry, we can still use here and connect to it. So if you want to pass that place, you can still use here and then connect through the next stroke now. Don't worry, I know everywhere now, so.
Lagos lady turn to
Awka lady.
Awka lady.
Like since the last time we made a video, have you come to Awka?
Yeah, I did come to Awka. I know come to Awka, but coming like it's not like coming and staying. I passed through Awka, let me just put it like that. Or maybe just stay for a while then leave. Most times 7 evening time, like I would drive from my side, come hang out with
because I'm scared of like traveling at all. So, but I go to Onitsha well now because the road is, you know, good. The road is good. So that's where we would have come out from if we had used that place. And if you still want to go back, that's where we would have used.
This was the previous
government house.
The previous one, right?
Still the
government house.
Yes.
I thought they said they built
A new one.
At the Centenary City or something.
Serenity City.
I mean, this, I don't know, what's it called? I thought it's Centenary City in Awka. Have you been there before?
Yeah. I think it's at they have, you know, all this estate and their names, so they have like the same thing at Finotel. I don't know if you know where Finotel Hotel is. Finotel Hotel is not so far from that immigration, exactly that immigration junction is where Finotel Hotel is, but it's on the side of the road instead of your right, your left. So your right, your left.
So that's the INEC building, right?
Yes. In case you wanted to switch.
I think they're scared. Should have been going. So we used the bridge, right?
Yes, we're using the bridge. Head all the way down to Regina. Regina, the other side of Regina is Abakaliki Street.
So tell me, how is life in Awka? What do you think about Awka right now?
Expensive, too crowded.
Sorry to interrupt. How long have you been in Awka so far?
Per se 9 years now.
9 years.
Yeah.
9 years.
Yeah.
Wow. You're legit Awka lady now.
Yeah, 5 years of, you know, coming and going,
Okay.
and then 4 years of this is where I want to be. Yeah, let's stay here.
So how's the city? How's life like?
I loved it before, honestly. And before I would always choose it over Lagos. The only difference is that maybe you would not see all the girly things that you want to do here in Awka, and that's the only reason why I want to choose Lagos. So I always wanted Awka because of the serenity, the peace, and everything. But it's not like that anymore. Trust me. It's overpopulated now. Too much. You can imagine having traffic. Like you can be at Kwata Junction. You can be at that Kwata Junction for close to 30 minutes and you have not moved. That's where everybody's trying to turn to come all the way back. It's annoying. But it's opening, and as it's opening, it's expensive. We're taking this slow. You're right. So it's opening, it's expensive, or it's becoming expensive because people in it too can afford to do that kind of stuff. So people are increasing their price every day. And trust me, they're still selling because you just have to buy. You just have to eat. You just have to wear clothes.
Exactly.
You can imagine walking into an Awka boutique. I walked into an Awka boutique and they sell a shirt, a polo you could get for 3,000 naira, 4,000 naira, and they sell it for 20k. And you see boys that are there packing 5, 6.
Really?
I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So people that are living in it can afford it. So they would even tell you if you cannot buy it, please drop it. Somebody that can afford it will come and buy it. And it's true. So this way is Abakaliki Street. Your left, yes, your left is Abakaliki Street. So that's where we are now.
Well, this road is now very messy. What
Very
are they
bad.
doing now? I remember the last time I came through this road, it's not this bad.
Awka is very bad now.
This is the capital of Anambra State, right?
Yes, it is.
So let me be sure if like I'm mistaken to be in a different location. Like Haba now.
It's just go straight. Let's use Rose Life. Go straight. Let's use Rose Life and connect it.
Haba now.
See that small turn in here.
Yeah.
This one.
Everyday supermarket nights everywhere.
My dear, they are expensive also.
Really?
They came. See, they just came with a very nice building, a mall kind of thing. Yeah. So everybody wants to go there to go check it out. But they don't only sell. They sell so many stuffs. They sell everything. They have the electronic shop downstairs. They have exactly that kind of thing. Yeah. So that's why they're like that. To me, this is Abakaliki. That's Obalande Amala. This is where they sell the Amala. And
oh my word, you're a person.
I have no idea. I was saying when we're done, like we're going to come check it out and then let's eat some Amala. Oh yeah, this is a new talk of town.
These guys everywhere now.
The new talk of town.
I was in Abia State. I mean Abba. Yeah, Abba in Abia State last week, and I saw something like that. Ibiza. I think it's everywhere.
I'm going back. Yeah, it's everywhere. It's in Lagos. It's in everywhere. It's everywhere.
So where are we now?
We're in Abakaliki Street. Yes, this is Abakaliki Street.
So tell me more about Abakaliki Street. I've heard so many things about Abakaliki Street.
Come here in the evening and you know. Just come here in the evening and you're going to know. Just in case you're watching this video, come here to Abakaliki Street if you want to enjoy Awka.
It has a lot of nightclubs.
Not just nightclubs. You know what you tachalonu, something to rest when you go back home. You know,
something to rest.
Yeah. Okay. So Abakaliki Street is for you. Okay. If you want to, you know.
So this is just like the Las Vegas of Anambra State.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Maybe it's the Las Vegas of Anambra State.
There's another big place you just opened also. It's called Sharks.
Where?
Like a lot of people are investing straight down.
Okay.
A lot of people are investing in Awka these days because I told you it's now populated enough for any business idea that you bring. And people are buying, people are ready to buy. It's just like Lagos now. So if you want to move here, move. Just know it's also populated, but as long as you have like a business in mind to do, you're gonna make money. So this is the same another club. One of the biggest clubs is here too, Gaga. This is the Sharks. That's the Sharks there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think every day they're building new structure here.
Yes.
Where is the land? Where is the land? They used to like demolish old buildings and build another one or something like that.
I don't know. A lot of people, honestly, a lot of people are ready to sell now because they're saying things are opening. So if you just tell somebody that, you tell a man that is struggling, that has a land, and he knows that land is worth over maybe 100 million or 200 million, he's going to sell. It's going to sell. So a lot of people are selling their people are selling their buildings so you can break it off and do whatever you like. So you turn if you want to, because straight down is down to Ngozika Estates. Straight down. So this is Big Bolas and this is a new hotel, and that is Bon Hotel in front.
This is the Big Bolas in Awka.
Yes, this is the Big Bolas.
It's actually a popular one.
Yes, it's very popular. And then this is Bon Hotel.
Bon Hotel. There's a similar hotel like this in Owerri. Bon Hotel.
Yeah.
So basically, guys, Abakaliki Street is all about nightlife. Like, whenever you come to Awka, you want to enjoy nightlife. You want to know what it feels like, you know, hanging out in the nights in Awka. Just come to Abakaliki, visit Abakaliki City. You get all kind of stuff you want. You have an edge on top on and enjoy this here.
Yeah.
So you will never ever be disappointed. It's actually a very long street.
Still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Very long, all the way down. It leads all the way down to Bozika. And we have a video on Bozika already.
Yeah. So guys, the video is coming to an end. I hope you guys have enjoyed the trip. I think on the next one I'm going to do better to show you guys more of Awka. Also, let me know what you think about Awka. Leave your comment at the comment section. And thank you so much, JC, for doing this one with me. Like, I really appreciate you coming through. And guys, go and check JC Didi's channel. She's anything you want to know about Awka, like lifestyle and all kind of updates about Awka, just go to her channel. I'm going to put her channel's link at the description, so go check it out. And also, like I said earlier, if you want to like order talk more about that. Then let me give you.
Okay guys, so
yes.
I started a luxurious pasta business in Awka. So if you are a pasta lover and food generally, not just pasta, but if you are a pasta lover like Alfredo, like meaty beefy pasta, like vegetable stir fry pasta, then I'm your girl. So all you need to do is just follow me on Chefood, click the link on my bio, and then that's it. Follow me on Chefood on Instagram, click the link on my bio, and you can order whatever it is that you want right in Awka. You will not believe the taste of this amazing food, trust me. Yeah, so and it's called Chet Pasta. So you guys can order anytime you want. I'm always available.
Alright. So thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys on the next one. Call it.